Okay, today we're gonna play this zoo puzzle game, and it comes with some blocks and some cards. We're gonna choose a challenge and decide what blocks we need, and then we're gonna try to rebuild what's shown on the challenge card.
Yeah, and Amy, now we have blocks. We have to get blocks.
And this is gonna help with your spatial insight, language, problem solving, concentration, and logic.
And surprises.
Okay, you ready to play?
Yes.
So we have these blocks, okay? What color is this block?
Red.
And what about this one?
Yellow.
It's orange?
Orange. Green. Pink.
And,
Blue.
okay, so here are the cards. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick a card and then you have to build one on the card, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna start with the easy one. Okay? So number 1 says you're gonna get the giraffe box. Where do you see the giraffe box? You can look around, move them around if you need to. Where do you see the giraffe box?
Yes.
Okay, so put the giraffe first. And what goes on top of the giraffe?
The elephant.
Can you find the elephant? Okay, make sure you put the elephant on top of the giraffe. Let's see, Lucy, did you meet the challenge? Does it look the same?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna try a harder one now, okay? So look at this one. See how the lion is sideways? So can you look for the lion?
Yeah.
Okay, but how is the lion facing? Is his head up or is the head to the side?
Its head is like this.
It's to the side, okay. Make sure he's facing the right side. Let's think about it. Where does the lion go? In the top or in the bottom?
On the bottom.
So let's put your lion in the bottom. Here, put it in the bottom, sideways. Good job. And how does the giraffe go?
Up top.
On top. But look at how the giraffe is facing sideways like the lion. Can you fix it so it faces sideways too? Very good. You met the challenge.
Sideways.
Can you fix it so it looks just like that? There you go. High five, Lucy. Good job, Mama.